Hello everyone, I am Zaran J. Assis and we will be discussing the three comparison topics. On my part, I will be discussing the governance versus management. When we say governance, it focuses on setting directions, rules, and policies for an organization. It answers the questions, what should we do? Example of these are setting company goals, defining rules, and creating policies. When we say management, it focuses on executing the plans and policies created through governance. It answers the questions, how do we do it? Example of management is managing daily tasks and supervising the employees.
Hello everyone, my name is Jarek Demarces and I will be tackling to you the governance. So first, what is governance? Governance, it ensures that the organization is guided by strategy, policies, and good decision making. And it also focuses on doing the right things for the organizations. So another one is compliance. Compliance, it ensures that the organizations follows laws, regulation, and industry standards. And it focuses on doing things the legal and required way. So in short, governance is about guiding the organizations, and compliance is all about following the rules.
When we say auditing, is a formal periodic review done at a specific time. It checks if process follow standards, policies, or regulation, usually done by internal or external auditors.
So, good evening everyone. I am Jervila Peña. I'm the one who discussed monitoring. So, monitoring is a continuous everyday checking to ensure things are working as expected. It helps identify issues quickly. In short, auditing is a scheduled deep checking, while monitoring is ongoing checking. So, I give you some example of monitoring. So, the example of this is the doctor, teachers, nurses, and many more.